bad. Well, I had no idea that today was going to be a storm. I actually just kind of thought it would be rain, and that's about it. I decided not to upload the second part of the January 4th storm because it just was a bad footage, and I just thought maybe I'll just leave it for short clips instead. I think this storm was kind of better than the one I just saw previously. I didn't know it was going to be like that, actually. I was at Wyong today, celebrating Samuel's elevated channel 10th anniversary, and the weather there was raining, but it looked like there was some storm cells along the way. We didn't really get to see much lightning. We just got to see more thunder and rain, and that's about it. Beautiful sunset storm, I would say. But yeah, hopefully we'll get more like that in this year's storm season. I'm actually kind of glad that I'm on schedule for the storm season for 2026. Storm season for 2025 was very limited, as there was a lot of mental health problems along the way. So hopefully this year will be a better season, and hopefully I'll be on top of uploading more and more videos. I'm going to end the video for now. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.